Hi guys, today we are discussing on information systems for manager. The first question is about client relationship management software. Basically, in the introduction, what you do is you have to define and write the meaning of customer relationship management software. You can Google this definition of CRM software, or you can search meaning of CRM software. Also, you can mention how does CRM software help companies. Just mention 2 or 3 points out of that, and then in the concept part you have to mention the pros and cons. I'll not give the entire pros and cons, but yes, you can Google out the details by mentioning. You can search pros and cons for CRM software. You will get the details. There are many websites which give the detail. I'll discuss some points. For pros, it is putting it helps in putting everything at one place. It helps in scalability. It helps in data mining. Data can be accessed remotely, cost effective, and it helps in speeding up conversations with our customers. Now, cons can be it does not have human intelligence. Then there is security issues. Employee needs to be trained. Data loss, technical support access required, and sensitivity data which can go to the third party. So these are some pros and cons which I have mentioned. There are many more which are available. You can Google it and you will get the details. Also, in the conclusion, you can mention what are the benefits of CRM and how does it help companies to have efficient communication with the customers. Now, moving to the second question is about green information technology. What is green IT? Is basically green computing. It's basically how socially you are responsible of using your electronic devices, which is computers, laptops, and everything, and how does it cater to the social environment. So I have noted down few advantages, which is green usage of less electricity, green disposal, that is repurposing existing devices or appropriate disposing or recycling your devices. Then there is green designing, basically how you put down the structure of your devices and how it can be accessed, which will help in reducing the consumption of electricity, which will be energy efficient for the servers or the energy or the printers or many such devices. Now, and the last point is green manufacturing. So how do you minimize waste during your production? Now, there is I do not have the page numbers for this, but what I will do is I'll give you a link on which you can find out the advantages and disadvantages of green computing. Now, moving to the third question is about cybercrime while you're playing online games. So there are what is in the introduction you mentioned what is cybercrime and how does it take over. Then you can mention the different types of cybercrimes which happens, which are hacking, phishing, gold framing, and cyberbullying. And in the conclusion, you mention how dangerous it is. Now, in the third B, you have to mention what are the awareness that you can create in your customers. So I'll just give you the points because this is again, if you search, you will get more details. I'll give the points. The points are protecting your identity, protecting computer with antiviruses, creating unique passwords, monitoring online activities, preventing cyberbullying. So these are some points we can use for making your customers aware about cyber attacks. So this is how you can complete the ISM assignments. If you're having any doubts, you can definitely give me a you can put me a message or you can call me. I'll mention the number in the comment part. Thank you.